Good evening, students. Today we'll discuss the program of socket programming. So, first of all, we have two codes. First is server and another is client. On the server code, we have write a code. In this, first of all, we have used the import with to import the package socket. Then we have used the socket.socket function to make an object that is S. Then we are just printing socket created. Then we have used host, and in host variable we are just taking the get host name. This is a function which we are using for getting the host. Then port is equals to 1024. In this we have to give any number more than 1023. Then we are using bind function s dot bind to bind the host and port. Then we have s dot listen function. This listen function is used by server only, and this digit 5, it is just saying that this is showing that we have to use maximum number of 5 clients here. Then we are printing waiting. After listen, the server will wait for the client's uh, side. Then while true, this condition basically means after the connection is established between the server and the client, then we are taking two variables CL and ADDR. CL is for client and address is for the address of the client, which is equals to s dot accept. Means whenever the client will send the request to server, we'll first accept, the server will accept the request. After that we are printing connected with client and address. So this address will hold the IP address or the host address of the client. After that, we are giving command equals to input, enter command. This is the message which is shown on the server side. Then we are just using send function, cl.send. It means we are sending this message to the client. Cl is the variable for client in bytes, and command and UTF. It is basically for encoding for purpose. We use UTF-8, and then we'll close the session with the function cl.close. So this was the program which was for server. After that, what we will do, we will open the command prompt. Before that, I just want to show one thing, that we have saved this program server, that file, save as, on a particular location. So this location is of desktop in my case. So I have saved this program with server.py on the desktop and just save. Okay. After that, we have opened the command prompt. We'll go to the same location, which is where we have saved the program, that is cd desktop. We are into desktop. This is basically the location where you have stored your program or saved your program. You can use any location where you are saving the programs. After that, we will use the Python or py, then the name of the file which you have saved. In my case, it is server, so I am writing server.py. When I'll enter, then it is showing socket created and waiting. So it will keep on waiting till it get any request from the client. So next, what we have to do, we'll write the program for the client. In the case of client, we'll again import socket. We have made a object cl equals to socket.socket. This is the same variable which we have used in the server program. Host is equals to socket.get host name function. We are using it for getting the host. Same port address, same host we have to give in the client also. Now client, in case of client, will use the connect function for host and port number. In case of server, we were using the bind function, but in case of client, we will use the connect function. Then k equals to, we have taken a variable k equals to cl dot receive. There, in the case of server, we have used the send function. In case of client, we are using the receive function, that is denoted with recv. And we have just taken a number 1024 dot decode. Here with UTF-8 we have encoded the message. Now, here we will be decoding it and then just print K. We will again save this with the we have I am saving it with client 0.py at the desktop location. So you can save anywhere. After that we will again open the command prompt cmd and again we'll go to the location cd space desktop. Cd command is basically for changing the directory. This is a DOS command. After that we'll just again write py client 0 dot py. When you will enter, then you will be able to see that it will be setting connection with the server. So here are the two windows. One is server window and another is client window. On the server window, we are seeing that it is showing that connected with client 1992.168.1.12. This is the basically IP address of the client with which we have connected, and this is the port address. Now here we are showing a message enter command. So this is basically for sending the message when whatever command you will write. Suppose I'm writing Python, then whenever I will enter, it will show the message on the client window. So this is how we just communicate between server and client with the help of socket programming.